Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world, but it's not for everyone. In this video, we'll explore who should avoid coffee and why. Pregnant women, people with mental health conditions, and those with heart or gastrointestinal issues are all advised to steer clear of caffeine. We'll dive into the reasons why each of these groups should avoid coffee. Pregnant women. During pregnancy, it is important to be mindful of what you put into your body. Caffeine is a stimulant that can have adverse effects on both you and your developing baby. For example, caffeine can cause insomnia, which can lead to fatigue and increased stress levels. Caffeine can also increase your heart rate and blood pressure, which can be dangerous for both you and your baby. Additionally, caffeine has been linked to an increased risk of miscarriage and low birth weight. Therefore, it is best to limit or avoid caffeine altogether during pregnancy. Stick to decaf or herbal teas. People with mental health issues. While caffeine may provide a temporary boost of energy, it can also have a number of negative effects on mental health. Caffeine is a stimulant, which means it can increase anxiety and stress levels. For people who are already struggling with anxiety or panic disorders, caffeine can exacerbate symptoms and make them feel even more anxious. In addition, caffeine can cause insomnia and disrupt sleep patterns, which can lead to fatigue and difficulty concentrate. And because caffeine is addictive, withdrawal symptoms like headaches and irritability can occur when someone cuts back or quits altogether. For all these reasons, it's best to limit caffeine intake or avoid it entirely if you're struggling with mental health issues. People with heart conditions. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, enjoyed by millions of people on a daily basis. However, for those with heart conditions, coffee can be a risky drink. Caffeine is a stimulant that can increase heart rate and blood pressure, putting extra strain on the heart. In addition, coffee is often high in sugar and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. For people with heart conditions, it is important to talk to a doctor about how much coffee is safe to consume. In some cases, it may be necessary to give up coffee altogether in order to stay healthy. Finally, for people with gastrointestinal issues, coffee can be a real problem. The caffeine in coffee can increase stomach acid production and lead to heartburn, indigestion, and other uncomfortable symptoms. Coffee can also stimulate the intestines and cause diarrhea. In addition, coffee is a diuretic, which can make gastrointestinal issues worse by causing dehydration. For people with sensitive stomachs, it's best to avoid coffee altogether. If you do drink coffee, be sure to sip it slowly and drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.